Hey, what's up guys? It's Jamie here. Thanks for joining me in today's video. So, going to be a super quick video today. I'm just letting you know that I got my hair cut, which I thought the world would need to know because it's so important. Anyway. So here's what happened. Basically, I woke up one morning, which was this morning, and a chunk of hair had gone and then done that into my eye region, and this was after days of like the wind blowing the hair into my face and me kind of doing this when I'm walking around, which on top of having a mask on just makes me look like a crazy person. So decided today to get rid of it, and this is the result. So looking a little bit cleaner than I did maybe an hour and a half ago. Why am I telling you this silly story? Well, here's the thing. If you are an affiliate marketer and you've been doing this whole thing, that was going to be stuff, but I decided to change it mid-sentence to thing. If you've been doing this thing for a little while, one of the things that you would have seen is that people are inherently attracted to new stuff. They love it. It says it all over sales pages all the time. Brand new, never been done before, never seen before. Jump on this thing. And so what that does is it invokes a sense of curiosity in people. Well, if it's new and I haven't seen it, then maybe it's worth checking out. Yeah, maybe I'll just jump on this thing. However, if you say, I've got an email marketing course, email marketing has been around for years. Why would I want to buy that? And so you need to start injecting newness into your content, into your strategy. Now, here's the interesting thing is that it doesn't need to be actually new. It can just be a new angle. So for example, going back to email marketing, maybe there is something that you're doing that is getting better open rates. Maybe you have developed a system to get click-through rates higher than anyone else in your industry. And maybe that spin on things now creates something new. Maybe there's a name or an acronym you can put on that which creates a newness. And if you're able to do that, it compels people. They are intrigued. They want to click the button to find out more. Sometimes they want to buy it. Kind of cool stuff. So start injecting some new stuff into your marketing strategy, and when it comes to your content, mix it up. Like I say, people love new stuff. They love things like if you're on Facebook and you're doing the organic and you're only ever doing quotes, they like other stuff. They like sometimes a video or a GIF or an image or a different color or a 3D image or whatever, right? So there you go. So be new, do some new stuff. Like I say, acronyms work really well. I use them quite often for my marketing, and I'll go out and do something. One of the ones I did a little while ago, I call it the HIPS strategy, hidden in plain sight strategy for getting inbound leads, which was a strategy that I was using on Facebook to get some inbound leads for $1.39. It was pretty cool at the time. Anyway, that's one example. There's a whole bunch of them out there. I also use something, what I call the co-ed formula, which I'm not going to discuss right here. It's top secret. No, there goes another one. Newness, top secret. Yeah, it makes people intrigued, right? So anyway, on that note, super short one today. If this is the first time on the channel, by the way, my name is Jamie. I'm a full-time affiliate marketer. I'm a coach for over 550 students, and yeah, do this whole online stuff. So if any of that's of interest to yourself and you're tired of all the bullshit out there that talks about how to get great results out of doing nothing, you actually want to build a business that's grounded in the fundamentals of sales, marketing, offer creation, all that sort of fun stuff, check out the link below. Feel free to hit the subscribe button as well. Anyway guys, that's it for me today. I'm going to go back to work and admire this new haircut of mine, try and get used to it. I now know how Samson feels as well, by the way. Anyway guys, have a good one. Catch you in the next one. Cheers.